Got a Harrison M-400 16x60 lathe, recent arrival. We're gonna do a walk around and run it through its feeds and speeds. We've done nothing to it. This is the way it came to us. Its original paint clean. It's missing a Harrison logo that goes there. Don't know where that went to, but. So the big thing here we're gonna look at is the ways. No scoring, no ridges. It's by the truck. Let's see if I put the truck here. To a post. Style looks like it's loose, but I'd say you got about 6,000 or 7 thousandths there, maybe a tiny bit more. I don't know if we can maybe tighten that up a little bit. Might want to look at that. Sure, there's a little bit of adjustment in there we can do. I think that's what they call the high-speed threading attachment. That's an option. Then we've got holders, center, drive plate, and face plate. What's the serial number? It's the coolant tank. We'll clean that out. Backsplash intact. Not a lot of chips in there. Usually those are pretty torn up. Digital readout. We'll show that one a little bit. Clean up that face. Oh, there he goes, right there. Is there something plastic over those numbers, or just dirty? All right, we'll work. We can tune that up a little bit. The manual. Through the hole. And we're running it on 220 3-phase. All right, it's running through its paces, sir. You're in 31? No, what are you? What RPM? I'm sorry, 125? Okay.
I range for the 500.
Okay. Yeah, that's really nice.
This sounds good.
So you're running in reverse right there. So you're doing the back faces of the gears, and there's very little difference in sound. Okay.
I'll bring it up.
Yeah, when they're worn out, there's a big difference in sound between
1,000.
forward and reverse. Clutch is good. It got up to speed fast.
It's real nice. It's got the
Good braking.
yep, brake release. That's right on. Coolant pump is running, but you can't hear it.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a nice.
Nice machine.
Real nice.
Carriage stop
I
there.
ran through all the speeds and feeds.
All good.
Yep.
Easy engagement, all the levers.
Yep.
Okay.
Shift real nice.
Yeah, that's another sign. It shifts really clean. You don't have a lot of
This
monkeying
thing
around.
ain't been used much.
No, show signs of limited use. So, all right. Thank you much.